Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will talk about using funnels to generate leads. So what have we covered so far? In the previous video, we have learned that you can use funnels to generate leads and sell any type of services or products. Funnels are faster and cheaper to build than full-blown websites. Funnels also run on autopilot, which means you build them only once and then they keep running for you in the background and you can carry on doing what you do best. This works in any industry and any business. And you can do this without any technical knowledge. If you learn this skill, you will never have to worry about having influx of quality leads to your business. If you don't, chances are your competitors will figure it out for themselves eventually and poach your prospects from you. So here are some tools to save you weeks of time when you're doing this. You can use our funnel building and marketing kit, which includes templates for different types of funnels. It has graphics to make your funnels convert better. You got frameworks for $1 million ads, and it also includes ideas about different lead magnets that you can create. So click the link below the video to access the funnel building and marketing kit to build better funnels and launch them faster. Here is the problem with most lead magnets today. The entire concept of a lead magnet funnel is that we offer our prospect something useful, an ethical bribe, in exchange for their contact information. The problem is that most business owners think they can turn anything into a PDF and it will bring them leads. Now, the trouble is that it's not the attention span that is getting shorter, as everybody says, it's the consideration spans. So we can devote attention to the stuff that interests us. That's why we can binge watch an entire TV series on Netflix. However, the consideration spans is what really counts. How fast will your prospect dismiss your ad? That's what's really important. That's why your landing page and your ads and your copy, everything has to line up. And it has to offer the result to your prospect in an easy to understand and easy to use way. So there are exabytes of data gathering just digital dust in unread lead magnet PDFs on people's hard drive. People just sign up for them, download a PDF, and they will never read it. So unless you have a highly engaging or a breakthrough PDF, most prospects will never read it. That's why we try to do slightly different lead magnets nowadays. Now, what makes actually a good lead magnet? See, people want things to be convenient and simple. So you can start with a PDF, that's a good starting point. But consider making a video or a training on a specific topic, or a tool or templates that will truly help your prospect. Also, your lead magnet should inspire hope that they can finally get the result that they have wanted so long. The point of a lead magnet is to bring you quality, warm leads. In ideal case, people will download your lead magnet and then reach out to you themselves instead of you having to chase them and convince them. So for the lead magnet to do this hard work for you, it has to answer one question. How is working with you going to help your prospect achieve the desired result better, faster, simpler, or easier to what they have already seen 1,000 times before? Now, to overcome skepticism, you have to demonstrate how you have achieved the desired result before. And if you can't show the results for any reason, then you work with your headlines to imply that the result has already been achieved. For example, how I achieved X without Y. How the stuff that they really want happened without the stuff that they don't want, and how they can get it too. We'll also do a deep dive into perfecting your lead magnets in the private mastermind group, which you can join. So let's look at those lead generation funnels. How does it work? So you have your lead magnet on one side, on the other side you have your prospects, and you want them to get this lead magnet so you can start communicating with them. Now, the path is to take them through your ad to an opt-in page. And on that opt-in page, you describe what your lead magnet is, how it will help them, why they should get it. And you ask for their name, email address, maybe a phone number if it's applicable to your business. When they fill it in, you take them to a thank you page where you thank them for signing up. You can put on that page a call to action to whatever you want them to do next. If you want them to watch a video, you send them to a video. If you want them to view your paid product, you send them to a landing page there. If you want them to straightly download the lead magnet, you put that as a call to action. But whatever you do, it should kind of follow the same journey. So they are trying to fix a problem. Your thank you page should lead them to a way to get their result faster. At the same time, you're sending them an email with a delivery. So that will be an access link, download link, whatever. So that goes into their email. And also, as they sign up, you put them onto your email list. So you can start sending them automated emails, the indoctrination sequence. So there is email number 1, then the next day you send them another email, then the next day you send them another email. And the whole point is to get them indoctrinated to want your core offer, to want to spend money with you. So on that indoctrination sequence, you will talk about the solution that you want them to buy. And you provide a link where they can access this paid solution. So this is the whole lead magnet funnel. If you look at the landing pages, which I've showed you in the previous videos, they can look fairly simple, or you can play with them, make them a bit more complex, but it should be really easy to understand what is it that they're going to get, how is it going to help them, and what do you want them to do. So we described our lead magnet. There is a button that says, yes, I want it. Yes, send it to me. When they click the button, they get taken to the form. It will either show as a pop-up, or you can have it straight on the page. And then they go onto your mailing list and you provide them with access to this lead magnet. You can do the same thing with information. So if it's just information about your offer, you get them to sign up and then you send them an email with the information. What software should you use for this? And if you were to hand code a funnel, it will take you weeks to do. It will be a nightmare job and you would just hate yourself. Fortunately, there are easy to use tools to make funnel building a piece of cake. Obviously, most websites nowadays are built on WordPress, so you can use WordPress with some kind of a page builder plugin, such as Elementor or any other one that you're comfortable with. And it will do the job fine. It will be a bit difficult to link everything together, but yes, it will get the job done. Now, the system that I like to use the most is ClickFunnels. You may have probably heard about them. Love ClickFunnels or hate them. The truth is, it's, as far as I can see, the best system out there to build funnels. You can use Kajabi, there are GrooveFunnels, there is also System.io and a whole lot of other ones. System.io is basically a ClickFunnels knockoff, a cheap one, which we use for some of our clients who don't really want to pay for ClickFunnels, but it's not as good. It makes things a bit more difficult to do. Some things you have to do twice. It's a bit of a hard work. So really, if I want to have a really nice, well-functioning funnel build, I would use ClickFunnels. I've been building websites since like 2001, so I've been at this game for a long time. And so far, I haven't found anything that would be better than ClickFunnels. So that's what we'll use to demonstrate how to build this stuff. You can get a free trial of ClickFunnels. You can sign up on their website, or if you use our link, getclickfunnels.deals, we get a little kickback from them, which makes it possible for me to do trainings like this for you for free. So you can sign up for a free trial using the link on the screen. So let's look at building a funnel, shall we? Okay, so let's have a look at those ClickFunnels. So what I'm gonna go to the ClickFunnels page. So I just go to getclickfunnels.deals and it will take me to this home page where you can sign up for the free trial. You click start free 14-day trial now. You put in your own name and email address and click on start building my first funnel. Now, as you're setting up your account, ClickFunnels will ask you for the credit card number and the plan that you want to go for. And they have two versions. They have a platinum membership for $297 a month, and they have this basic membership for $97 a month. You don't really need the platinum one when you're just starting out. All you need is the basic membership for the 97. So when they ask, just click no, I don't want the platinum membership, and they will show you a page where you can actually sign up for the $97 one. Once you get in there, once you get in ClickFunnels, what you're going to see is the dashboard, and this is my dashboard in ClickFunnels. So you can see I have different funnels built in here. There's plenty of them. When you sign up, I think the $97 a month membership, you can build up to 20 different funnels, which is more than enough. Because once you get your funnel number 2, 3, or 5, you'll already be making enough money to cover everything, and it will just be profitable, and you don't have to worry about paying them the extended memberships. So what we're going to do here is we're going to build a funnel for lead generation. And I'll show you different examples of the ones that I've built in the past. So this is the one of the very first ones that I have designed. It's a free PDF that I'm giving away with social media post ideas. So it will give you just ideas of what you can post to make your social media feed go viral. So all I have is this headline, sign up form. Yes, I want this, which will submit the form. Here is description of my lead magnet PDF. So this is what it's going to help you with. And when you sign up, I will be sending you more information. So that's that. If people click one of these buttons, it will scroll them back to the form, which they can fill in to get their PDF. Another example of a lead magnet page is this online business blueprint. Really, all I have here is a headline. It's a free download. Again, name, email address, click to access. What's inside is the 5 steps to start building your online business, 42 business ideas, best tools, and how to sell your product even if you haven't done it before. It's a startup kit for anyone who wants to start their business online. It's a free PDF which I've put together, and I think this lead magnet generated like 30,000 leads in 3 months. It was crazy. We were getting 100 leads a day. with like $10 a day in ad spend. It worked really well. So this is Online Business Blueprint PDF. I wrote this in about maybe 4 days. Read this book if you want to survive. It's a bit of a overstatement, but it's funny. So people like that. And then I'm talking about why everybody should be starting their business online, what the dangers on the horizons are, what I can see in the charts and what's happening currently in the world. Then we're showing them the 5 steps, what they need to do to get started, why they need it, and we describe each individual step. We have business ideas to get them started, what you can sell online. Here's how to do your research, how will your product look, and the tools that they can use to start an online business. And I think that's the meat of it. We're talking different systems, and at the end there is a page to get my course at this address here. So that's our lead magnet. Okay, another example would be just for information. So this is the self-defense for kids page, and all I'm doing here is describing, okay, we are having these classes for kids. If you want to get more information, just leave your email and we'll send you more info. So this is it. Do you want to help your child solve risky situation, increase confidence, boost physical condition, all that? It's a training led by experienced instructors. We teach kids in a fun way. We got some photos that people can click on. It just gets bigger. We've got the photo of instructors, so that's my colleague and me. And where do we train? How often are the trainings? If you want more information, click the button. It will take you to this sign up form. And you click yes, I want to know more. We will take you to a thank you page. And from that on, you will get an automated email with all the information. So this is just info only lead magnet. We had an advert running just to a local parents living within about 20-kilometer radius. It worked really well. And you can also do lead magnet funnels for webinars, which would be an example here. So I have this webinar. It's an automated webinar, so it runs on autopilot. I only recorded it once, and then I don't have to worry about it anymore. So it's a free training. It reveals how to instantly add 10 to 30K a month in revenue without stress or overwhelm. So it's for business owners who want to scale their business. It's a free training. It takes about 50 minutes. And we explain what is it that they're going to learn in the training. It talks about me as their presenter, and we've got some results, what other people have achieved. We've got testimonials, and hey, a warning, it's not get rich scheme. It's an information how to scale your business in a easy and sustainable way. If you want this free training, you click yes, I want it. We have a pop-up window which asks for your contact details, and when you enter, you get taken to the actual training video. So I'm collecting leads really easy this way. People go onto the video, and when they actually watch the video at the end, I have this call to action so they can schedule a strategy session with me and we can look at their business and the ways how they can scale their business. So this is a webinar lead magnet.